So we're going to find the answer to life, the universe, and everything. Now, ordinarily, you wouldn't show the spectator these. Well, you could actually, but you wouldn't show it on a video like I'm doing right now, where they can capture the image. With what you see here, you can now perform what I'm going to perform. So if you want to do this routine, come back to this place in the video and just make note of these card values and their placement. The particular suits have no bearing at all. I just kind of try to get a mixture of colors. Okay. So you could show that to the spectator and say, wow, I have this, random looking collection of 16 cards. Okay. So what I'd like to do with you today is I would like to see if you are a good choice maker. If you make good choices in life, normally good things happen. And what we're hoping for here is that you make a perfect sequence of choices so that at the end, the written prediction that I have here will be not only true, but we will actually find the answer to life, the universe, and everything. Okay, well, that sounds pretty significant, doesn't it? Okay, so what we're going to do is give you a whole boatload of choices, okay? Now, you're not here, of course, so I will have to resort to using the six-sided die to make these choices. But what we're going to do is I'm going to push off two cards. Why don't we? Well, let's say the following. If I get an even value, like I have here, I will push off two cards. If I get an odd value, I will work with four. Okay, so let's get going. So odd. So I'm going to push off four. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just flip those over, and then I'm just going to scramble these cards, just like a scrambled egg. Just mix those cards where, quite honestly, no one could know where the cards are at this point. Okay, shall we work with two or four this time? Oh, it's odd again, so I'll work with four, and I flip them over, and then we just mix, 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 mix. Mix, mix, mix. Maybe I'll do one more. Okay. Okay, two or four cards. Boy, the die really wants us to work with four, doesn't it? That's fine. And maybe we'll do another. This is a Charlet shuffle, of course, very messy shuffle. It would be nice to get a two, an even, but we'll flip over four. That's what this random event has told us to do, and that's what we'll do. Are we ever going to get an even number? Apparently not. So talk about a small probability of happening. We're witnessing it. There we go again. I need to have this. I need to put this up for a different reason as a video of interest to people. Okay. Are we ever going to get even? Yes, we got even. So we do two, and then just mix, 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 mix. Okay. Do you think we can get another even? Yes, that's great. So we do two. I've never been so excited about rolling a die and getting an even value, but there we go. Boy, sometimes it seems like random events aren't random. Oh, by the way, I want to apologize. I think I moved four cards when I should have done two on the last one. So anyway, that was just a goof. I should move two. I think I did. I can't remember. I'm trying to talk and focus my little brain cells at the same time. Okay, I work with four and I flip them. Very good. Okay, and we'll just do one more. Oh, four again. Flip them. Very good. Okay, just do one more Charlier. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to deal these cards into two piles. Okay, and this would just be one more chance for us to just mix these cards face up, face down. Okay, now this next decision is essential. So we're going to have to pray that this little guy works for us. Okay, so what we're going to do is if I get an even value here, I'll do left on right. If I get an odd value, I'll do right on left. One of those will work for us. Okay, it's even. So that means left on right. Very, very good. Okay, so let's display the cards and see what all of these random choices have brought about. Okay, well, let me bring out my piece of paper and you'll have to, play along that I took the time to write down the prediction. But the prediction states the following. Given all of the important choices that you made to mix these cards, you have successfully found the answer to life, the universe, and everything. How's that? Oh, down here it says, hint, add up the values of all of the up-facing cards. Why would that be helpful? Okay, so we get a 5 plus a 6 is 11, plus 3 is 14, plus 5 is 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 7 is 28, plus 6 is 34, and then plus 8 is 42. 42. Does that ring a bell for anybody? 42. So what is the answer to, oh, wow, look at that. It came up as a query right away. Enter. What is the answer to life, the universe, and everything? It's 42. How in the world did we get a sum of 42 that was written as a prediction before all of the mixing, before all of the choices that were made either by the spectator or by a random event? How in the world is that possible? Well, the answer to that question is the Hummer principle. That's how it's possible.